Hello everyone, in this video you can see a 3D modeled car wheel rim in SolidWorks. The full file and download link I gave in the description. It's very easy to model, and also you can download in your SolidWorks this model, and also you can edit necessary component or necessary changes of dimensions. So I made this wheel rim by creating a new part, sketching the basic profile of the rim on the front plane. So begin with the drawing the outer and inner diameter circles to define the rim's width and size. Use the line tool to sketch the spokes and any other features such as holes or vents. So once the profile is complete, just use the revolve or base feature to create the 3D shape of the rim by revolving the sketch around the axis. Hope you like this video. Please comment, share and subscribe, and if you want more models, please share.